as a little bit of a backgrounder, the fitness industry is growing by about 40 to 45% every year in this country, and the total it is about 2,300 crore industry, and it's a kind of sunrise area. It's not something that's been around in this country for a long time, but people are really waking up to it. Maybe because of the lifestyle, maybe because things are changing and people are getting a little more aware.
Now it's like a rough and tough life. You are every day running for your livelihood and each and everything. So you are not getting a time to jog or any kind of exercise and all kind of thing.
Today, in a day and age where you want everything at your convenience.
Yeah.
But I think we should also have something at home.
Yeah, sure. That's true. That's why people are nowadays bringing that gym kind of thing in their like in-house gym.
Now, fitness is also getting a share of that space,
Right.
which is a very big potential for fitness world as a brand.
If you see the kind of branding what they have done, the fitness world in a global platform, they have done a green as a color.
Green is also the color life.
Sure.
It is the color of health.
Yeah, and then also the brand as a global platform, taking the brand identity in a holistic platform and all the kind of communication what they are doing. First and foremost is engineering global fitness.
And I think the engineering angle gives a little bit of a, the equipment part gets a little bit of an endorsement.
Correct, state of art technology, equipment.
Absolutely.
Exactly
Absolutely.
like that.
And fitness world equipment are all designed and engineered in US.
How do we take that brand identity of the green fitness world
Further.
and the further to their like shop in shop, in their stationaries, in their especially the kind of dress colors we are giving for the salesperson or the customer service person in every shop.
It has to be a global experience.
It will be green global experience, and that is engineering global fitness.
We have these.
As we are discussing about the their product display, which is totally like green as a platform. If you see totally different, and it looks in the different series of the products playing, and everything is in a green color, which is also turquoise green. Turquoise green, it gives that a different color, which is feel fresh. As
It's
you
also
said.
energetic.
Energetic, correct. And then we are talking about, if you say the shop in shop, if they have a different multi-outlet shop where they will put all the products in the one shop in shop, and you will see all the products are displayed, and the green band moves like that. It really gives an awesome
I think the switch
international
gives
look.
a very flexible and a very healthy kind of look
Correct,
to
correct.
the entire look.
And if you see there the stationery, which is which is totally different in terms of the look and feel. The band is the green band, moves around from left to right, giving a feeling of new horizon, and it gives a feeling of fitness world.
I think as of now, till now, fitness has been more of a very, very serious kind of thing. Now we are packaging the seriousness with slightly more consumer appeal and a
Right,
slightly more new age appeal. I think making the brand contemporary is what this look is achieving.
So what fitness up till now was very conservative.
Yeah, it has been.
Now I think it should broaden its
Horizons.
horizons.
Broadens the horizon, and also they are going beyond the limit. And the kind of, even if you use the letterhead, visiting cards and envelopes, and also the facades of the
It's
stores,
very international.
very
Very
international.
international, very international.
Very
And then
cutting.
comes their dresses for the salesperson and the customer service, which is giving very customized green color, which is soothing. Like
It is casual, it is
Very
healthy,
nice, very
and it's
nice.
not all tied up and corporate. It's very fit.
Very fit. So that's what we're talking brand identity of the fitness world. Green as in brand impact to the total brand aspects.
And I think it's a color that matches with the steel grey and the greyish look of the product as well. So you need something that just offsets it a little.
Even their packaging also, the product packaging also looks so decent, and it gives that feeling of compactness, green as in color, and solid branding. So now we are talking about what next the product is. When we are talking tier 2 and tier 3 cities, the consumer whom we are talking.
In tier 2 and tier 3 cities, you have dearth of gyms.
Actually, fitness world is not only looking at consumers. What he's saying is an opportunity. From the
Absolutely.
B2B point of view. Today, if a fitness world promises better business prospects to a gym or a chain of gyms, then there is a B2B opportunity and there is a B2C opportunity,
Absolutely.
both for the brand.
So B2C, when we were talking B2C, tier 2, tier 3, as we said, we are talking to that kind of janta, or like where we are really looking for something out of the box or different horizon into the fresh
Pictorially
fitness,
very-
very lively and all kind of things. But when we are talking the corporate, the B2B, business to business, the kind of target audience, when we are talking about literally totally different, where they're looking institutional sale. One corporate's having a total gym for their employees. They want to keep it for like to make them fit every day.
I think fitness corporates are getting very conscious about
About
employee
Yeah,
health.
they are
Yes,
fitness savvy nowadays. Very much fitness savvy. Because what fitness gives you? The fitness gives you a total fitness from morning 10 to 10. That's what we are talking. So how we are tackling with this like B2C, we are tackling with the brand campaign separately. So when we are talking the global fitness, we have taken the global characters like Charlie Chaplin in our communication, Marilyn Monroe in our communication, and Adolf Hitler, and we have taken in a totally different aspects, talking about obese.
Yeah, and it's clutter breaking. It is out of the box. And most fitness campaigns are all about ye kar lo, wo kar lo. We have taken a completely 360 about turn in our view of fitness and made it very, very identifiable to the. I think even a Delhi person will understand it. Even a Bareilly person will understand
Correct,
it.
correct.
And that is why it's so powerful. We have all different kind of characters. The reason we are using Hitler is that even to do what he did, he needs to be fit. Basically, in life, whatever you want to do, fitness is a very important part of that game.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So Marilyn wouldn't be Monroe without fitness. And she has that sexy figure because she's slim and trim. And then we are telling our people that you are really lucky that you have Fitness World. Maybe these guys did not have Fitness World. Maybe in those days, she used to have to starve to keep that figure.
Exactly.
Hitler used to have to walk miles.
Yeah.
And Charlie Chaplin also used to have all kinds of flexibility regimes. But in your case, you have something on a platter. You have Fitness World on a platter.
Correct.
It's so much easier for you. It's so much healthier for you. Just starving yourself is not any way of doing anything.
We will talk about the second route, the brand campaign of another kind of conceptual. Totally, like again, we are talking about engineering global fitness in a different aura. What we have said, it's like a nice jungle, and you see a lady running in a treadmill, and it's so nice and serene and cool, giving a feel of you are in a jungle.
I think that's also the film.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is the film that we
same
planned.
idea is also in a film.
Yes.
So that really nice.
When
sensation.
everything is so beautiful, when she can have the freedom of jogging on the track or running on the beach or cycling in a jungle or in the
Correct.
forest, you prefer being on a Fitness World equipment.
Exactly. So now, if you will talk about what, like, when we will talk about the direct mailer in terms of corporate communication.
There's a tortoise on the treadmill. So if your profits are dipping down, you can put your personnel on the treadmill and get them fit,
Yeah.
so that your profits increase.
Yeah,
Very
I think it's more about using the fitness equipment in the communication in a different manner. It's not just about a tortoise or about any other thing.
Absolutely.
It's about getting an idea associated with the equipment
Exactly.
which appeals to the businessman and makes him feel. In this we are targeting both corporates and we are targeting people who are running gyms as profit centers.
So that's the corporate catching the correct corporate target audience into there through direct mailer exercise.
Absolutely.
So when we're talking about the B2C and a B2B communication, we are talking about corporate profile and a corporate AV. When you're talking the corporate AV, as you were saying,
Yeah, we need to make the communication very holistic. So it's not just about talking about Fitness World and its products. It's also the philosophy of Fitness World. So in the corporate AV, we're planning to cover the philosophy of Fitness World, then what Fitness World offers the consumers and what Fitness World offers the businesses. We need that entire holistic communication in one place.
And that is why we are taking it further with the website.
Yes.
exactly.
Online
website-
presence is also
when the
important.
online presentation, what we are giving the brand identity in the green look, in the
Absolutely.
home page and the other pages of the website. That gives the total corporate identity as a one
Absolutely.
simple
Yeah.
green brand identity.
I think that would make the communication very wholesome.
Yeah.
And I think
Talking about the holistic platform as
Absolutely,
the
absolutely.
fitness world as like
I think
fitness
that
world.
would take care of the initial relaunch of Fitness World at least for 1 year.
correct.
And it would set it on a very international pace.
And it reach also the kind of B2B and a B2C target audience exactly on their place
in a communication, like more 360-degree communication.
Absolutely. And I think it will make fitness world a dominant player in South Asia.
Yeah, exactly. And on the top of the mind, everybody's top of the mind, the brand recall value is very strong because of the brand identity, corporate communication, creative communication, and holistic communication.
Absolutely.